Get ready for a video that can truly transform your life. Feel free to watch it as many times as you want, because each viewing brings a fresh perspective. In this presentation, we're sharing 50 invaluable tips for succeeding in life. Welcome to Top Tier Success, your one-stop hub for business, investing, and personal growth. We're dedicated to helping you achieve financial independence and live life on your own terms. Don't miss out. Click that subscribe button now. Life is often simpler than we make it out to be. Let us pull back the curtain and break it down to its essence. Where you choose to live is the most critical decision you'll ever make. It shapes your beliefs, friendships, values, occupation, and even your life partner. To thrive, nurture your environment, not just your ambitions, because your surroundings influence your growth. Remember, a flower doesn't chase the bee, it blossoms, and the bee comes. Similarly, you don't have to struggle to find true love or loyal friends. They naturally gravitate towards you. Stop pursuing fleeting opportunities. Instead, create an environment where they come to you. This principle applies to many aspects of life. When it comes to friends, don't hang out with negative influences unless you want to become one. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose your company wisely. Quality beats quantity. You only need a couple of genuine friends. Avoid taking advice from those less successful unless you're learning what not to do. The knowledge they don't teach in schools often leads to success for those who dare to be different. Never be the smartest person in the room unless you're teaching or deceiving. Surround yourself with those who inspire and challenge you. You can't save others if you're sinking yourself. Focus on self-improvement, take responsibility, and aim to be better. Embrace honesty, especially with yourself, because every lie you tell creates a debt to the truth. Your life is dull because you're waiting for others to bring excitement. No one is coming to rescue you. You must save yourself. Transform your interests into opportunities, and the world becomes your playground. If you lack purpose, start with personal growth. Then extend that purpose to your inner circle and community. Define a clear life goal. Write it down and regularly remind yourself of why you're pursuing it. People who record their goals are more likely to achieve them. Stay focused on your path, even when others try to divert you. You're not competing with them, but with poverty in your past self. Prioritize progress over perfection. The worst situation is having neither time nor money. Master the art of trading time for money, and once you have money, learn to trade it for time. This is a powerful life skill. Remember, better is greater than more, and new shiny distractions are often traps. There are no shortcuts to meaningful success. Consistency and dedication, not shortcuts, lead to mastery. Always remember, in life, the only free cheese is in the mousetrap. Success is essentially doing the obvious things consistently over a long time. Be cautious about unearned wealth or knowledge. There's usually a price to pay. You don't need luck to win at life. The lottery is like a tax for those who can't do math. Every day, take a step toward your big goal. Don't fear the unknown. Remember, boats are safe in the harbor, but that's not their purpose. Don't give up. Persistence is the key to achieving your desires, even if it takes time and effort. Challenges test your readiness to level up, so embrace them. Work in the dark because your light shines brightest there. No matter how tough life gets, remember, the longest night eventually turns into day. The years are short in hindsight, so measure your life in decades, not days. Confidence is a cheat code in life's simulation. Believe in yourself, and others will follow suit. Presentation matters. Take care of yourself, maintain personal hygiene, and dress well. Never assume the answer is no before you ask. Let them be the ones to tell you no. It's a free roll, and you might be surprised by a positive response or valuable feedback. Don't pretend to be richer than you are, or try to impress others. Impress yourself instead. Avoid buying products just to flaunt them. It's a waste of time. Focus on the long game, where you can achieve the life you truly desire. Let critics hate. People only throw stones at trees with ripe fruit. Don't expect others to see the world as you do, and accept them as they are. Others will only see your decisions, not the choices you had or the effort you put in. Overnight success typically takes 7 years of hard work. Stop chasing people and prioritize achieving your dreams. It's the ultimate satisfaction. Break free from video games and distractions, seek experiences, and avoid addictive or harmful behaviors. The real test of intelligence is whether you achieve your goals. Ask yourself why you're not rich or happy if you're so smart. Smart people figure these things out. Once the work is done and the lessons are learned, trust that the money will follow. Money fluctuates, but hard work remains constant. Outwork others to out-earn them. Leverage tools at your disposal, including technology. Invest in yourself to improve your worth. Use money to delegate repetitive tasks and focus on revenue-generating activities. Don't waste your time barking when you've hired a dog to do it for you. Rising early is an advantage in a world that often lacks motivation and drive. Be up before the rest, as an extra hour in your 30s is more valuable than in your 80s. Sacrificing some sleep when you're young can pay off. Winning doesn't necessarily mean being better. It's about doing things that others don't consider valuable. You already know what you should be doing. The growth you seek is in the tasks you keep postponing. It's never too late to start, but starting early usually gets you further along. Like planting a tree, the best time was 20 years ago. The second best was yesterday, and the third best is now. Remember, greatness is just consistent goodness. Consistency trumps talent when talent lacks consistency. Rub the lamp of effort consistently for your wishes to come true. In life, you must choose between the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Feeling bad indicates you could do better. Bridge the gap between your expectations and reality by making a choice. Direction matters more than speed. Hard work won't get you far if the idea is poor. Find a good enough idea and put your maximum effort into it for a better chance at success. It doesn't get easier, you get better. The key is to do it every day, and as you see results, you'll become motivated to keep going. Good enough now is better than perfection. Get started and adjust your course based on the feedback and information you receive. These lessons represent some of the most valuable insights we've gathered over the past decade. In this video, we aim to help you discover answers for your next life phase. What other lessons do you think we missed in this video? Let us know your views in the comments below. And it could probably help us make a part 2 of these lessons. Thank you for investing your time with us today. We truly appreciate it. If you found value in this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our future uploads. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us. See you on the next one.